When it comes to automation and integrations, which specific tasks does your team no longer have to put as much manual effort into because Scrut handles them for you?
Hayden, I'd have to say automated evidence collection. This is a sure winner for us, especially integrations for control monitoring with, for example, AWS and Google. These integrations automate compliance checks. They trigger alerts, follow-up actions, and really worth mentioning, they generate evidences automatically. This removes the need for manual screenshots or evidence creation. Secondly, compliance is fundamentally about people. So we need to ensure that they're informed, compliant, and properly equipped. And Scrut's people module supports this by tracking employee compliance across areas such as endpoint security, awareness and training, policy acknowledgements. And, at the end of the day, this helps us embed shared accountability across the entire organization.
Amazing. And in what ways would you say Scrut has helped you continuously, we kind of touched on this in the beginning, but how has it helped you to continuously monitor your compliance posture? And has it made it easier for your team to close findings, resolve gaps, and stay ahead of potential issues rather than reacting at last minute when things come up?
Well, because everything is continuously tracked, audits are so much easier to plan and prepare for. We can see where controls are working well, where gaps exist, and with this, we can close findings ahead of time. Well, that shifts us away from reactive, last-minute compliance, and it really tangibly improved our compliance posture through a process of continuous improvement.
Love it.